Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Sign language?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
How you say eat? Eat. Do it. Say eat. Show daddy. How you say more?
No. Eat.
Yes. How you say more?
No.
Eat. More.
Eat this.
Show daddy more. Show daddy. Say, show mommy
Daddy.
and daddy.
Daddy.
Do daddy.
Daddy.
And how you say please?
Please.
And how you say thank you? How you say stop?
Stop.
How you say fish? Fish. And how you say bubbles?
Bubble.
Bubbles. What else you know? How you say milk?
Mom.
Drink? Thank